Survival kits are comprehensive tool sets designed to aid individuals in emergencies, offering essential supplies for self-sufficiency. These kits typically include items like first aid supplies, water purification, tools, and emergency rations. Compact and portable, survival kits are tailored to various situations, from outdoor adventures to natural disasters. Acting as a lifeline in critical moments, these kits empower individuals with the resources needed to navigate and endure unexpected challenges. I included all the link in video description below. Let's dive in. Number 3. S.O.L Hybrid 3 is a versatile and compact survival kit that combines essential tools for outdoor adventurers and emergency preparedness. This all-in-one kit is designed to provide vital supplies and equipment for survival situations, combining the benefits of a shelter, a first aid kit, and a fire starter in a single package. The kit includes a heat-reflective and waterproof bivy sack, a fully stocked first aid kit, and a fire starter with a waterproof tinder compartment. The bivy sack offers protection from the elements, retaining body heat and providing shelter in emergency situations. The first aid kit contains a comprehensive selection of medical supplies to address minor injuries and emergencies. The fire starter, along with the included tinder, allows for quick and reliable fire ignition for warmth, cooking, and signaling. The S.O.L Hybrid 3 is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry in a backpack or store in a vehicle. It is an excellent choice for hikers, campers, and anyone seeking a reliable and comprehensive survival kit for outdoor adventures or emergency situations. The kit is designed to provide peace of mind, ensuring that you have essential tools and supplies readily available when needed most. With its multifunctional design and high-quality components, the S.O.L Hybrid 3 is a valuable resource that can help increase your chances of survival and preparedness in challenging circumstances. Number 2. Emergency Case. Essential Family 4-Person Case. 5 emergency kits built into one case is a comprehensive and all-encompassing emergency preparedness solution that combines 5 essential emergency kits into a single, convenient case. Designed to provide peace of mind and readiness for families, this kit includes the necessary supplies and tools to address a wide range of emergency situations. The case is packed with food and water rations, a first aid kit, a hygiene kit, a warmth and shelter kit, and a communication kit. The food and water rations are specially packaged for long shelf life, providing sustenance for the entire family during an extended emergency. The first aid kit contains a comprehensive selection of medical supplies and equipment to address injuries and emergencies. The hygiene kit includes items for personal cleanliness and sanitation, ensuring proper hygiene even in challenging circumstances. The warmth and shelter kit offers essential items such as emergency blankets, ponchos, and a tent for protection against harsh weather conditions. The communication kit includes a radio, flashlight, and batteries, allowing for access to information and communication during emergencies. The emergency case. Essential Family 4-Person Case is designed to be easily stored and transported, making it ideal for home preparedness, vehicle emergency kits, and outdoor adventures. With its comprehensive range of emergency kits packed into one case, this solution provides the convenience and peace of mind that comes with knowing your family is well prepared for unforeseen situations. Number 1. Surviveware. The Responder 72-Hour Emergency Preparedness Backpack is a comprehensive and meticulously designed survival kit that provides essential supplies and equipment to sustain an individual or small group during critical situations. This backpack is packed with carefully selected items to meet the basic needs of food, water, shelter, and first aid for up to 72 hours. The kit includes high-quality provisions such as emergency food rations, water pouches, a water filter straw, a fire starter, a survival knife, a multi-tool, a Shelter 2 tent, a sleeping bag, a first aid kit, and much more. The backpack is organized with multiple compartments and pockets for easy access and efficient storage of the supplies. The high-quality food and water rations have a long shelf life, ensuring sustenance during an emergency. The water filter straw allows for safe drinking water from various sources, while the fire starter and survival knife cater to fire making and tool needs. The included Shelter 2 tent and sleeping bag offer protection and warmth, and the comprehensive first aid kit addresses medical needs. The Surviveware Responder Backpack is designed for durability and convenience, with padded shoulder straps, adjustable waist and chest straps, and a reinforced handle for easy carrying. It is a reliable and versatile option for emergency preparedness, outdoor activities, and disaster response. Whether used for camping, hiking, or emergency situations, this backpack provides peace of mind, knowing that you are well equipped with essential supplies to face unforeseen challenges.